Packing for a cruise? Yeah, it's not as simple as throwing swimsuits in a bag and hoping for the best. Because if you forget the wrong thing, your vacation starts out real stressful. So let's start with the stuff that you actually need. A small bag or a backpack for excursions. You don't want to carry everything like a yard sale. And a little cash, because not everything on these islands takes your card as easily as a cruise ship does. So let's start with the stuff that you actually need. Passport, birth certificate, boarding documents. Don't even think about leaving without these things unless you enjoy waving goodbye from the parking lot. Swimsuit and sunscreen, because yes, you will burn on day one. Everyone does. Don't be that person. Now let's talk survival kit. Motion sickness meds, pain relievers, aloe, basically anything your body might suddenly complain about in the middle of the ocean. Because the ship doesn't exactly pull over for a pharmacy run. A couple of things people forget, but shouldn't. Now let's talk about what not to bring. Iron, steamers, surge protectors, basically anything that looks like it belongs in a fire hazard starter kit. They will take it, and no, you're not winning that argument. So yeah, pack smart, don't overpack, and definitely don't forget the important stuff. Because nothing ruins a cruise faster than realizing your passport is still sitting on your kitchen counter. Follow along for more cruise tips and things we learned the hard way so you don't have to.